My name is Ryan. I'm from Bedok South Secondary School. This tuition was introduced to me by a good friend of mine, Isian. I find the lessons conducted here in RG tuition, they are a lot more engaging, and Alex really knows what topics will come out, and he's very precise with his teaching. He's also very engaging. If he sees us falling asleep or we are losing focus, he will actively try to get our attention and focus on work. All of the worksheet notes and all the paperwork that Alex has given us have all proven very useful as practice and as a mock exam before the real paper, and most of them have been very spot on and accurate. Previously, I was very unmotivated by studies, and I had basically no interest in studies. So after attending this tuition, Alex has helped me realize that studying is not that hard, and you just have to look at it with an open mind. Don't look at it so negatively all the time, and everything will become easier. This has helped me not only through studies, but it also has helped me become a better person. All of the times Alex went the extra mile to motivate us and ensure that we know our stuff before entering the real exam. I would definitely recommend this tuition, especially for struggling students, as I was one myself before I attended this tuition. It helped me pass POA for the first time. I've never passed it before, but after a year of attending this tuition, I immediately got a B4 for my O-levels. I'm really very grateful for Alex for helping me pass my POA and teaching me more about life's values, not to give up so easily, and always look at things with an open mind so that you have a clean perspective. Thank you, ace your POA, and